So here we have a question here. I'm curious to know what is the correct strategy to use anchor text for backlinks, the exact keyword or the synonyms of the target keyword or the general ones, like know more, read more. Can I use either of them if keyword difficulty is around 80? Okay, if the keyword difficulty is around 80, it's again not a hard and fast rule that it's going to be easy for you to rank or difficult. But yeah, with the KD at 80, it seems a little difficult because the keyword seems very competitive. I always recommend you to understand the backlink structure of your competitors. So my first point is to under okay. For those who don't know the here, anchor text. Let me show you what is anchor text so you guys have an idea on what is anchor text. So for instance, in my blog, for let's say one of the articles, I open like this article. Okay, now you can see that I'm interlinking another of my article with the title of how to start freelancing guide. Okay, so this text here is an anchor text pointing to this article. Okay, so this was an anchor text here, and Google places huge importance to the anchor text with backlink creation. So having a good anchor text variety is important. But I first of all coming back, and that is to competitors backlink strategy. Okay, if you have tool, it's always a good idea to do that. But in case if you do not have any tools and don't know how to do it, okay, leave it. Okay, as far as synonyms are concerned, I do recommend are good. Even with the rank ring, now Google understands whatever term you are trying to rank. So synonyms are not good. If you ask me this question 5 years ago, 5 years before, I wouldn't have recommended, but now I do recommend synonyms are good. And I also recommend you to go with exact match. Okay, exact match can be 10 to 20% of your total backlink strategy. Okay, mix anchor text. Okay, by mix anchor text I mean that you can include the general word plus your target keyword, or target keyword in start plus general word, or between your target keyword you can have a general word. Okay, mix anchor text is also very important. So you can use this as well on 20 to 30% on this one. Have 10% for synonyms, have 10% for other general, like click here. Okay, you can use okay, here you can use even 20% here, 60, 70, 80, and or even you can use 10 to 20% your domain name as your anchor text. For instance, my domain, but pointing to an inside article like this. Okay, this is also fine. So you can use this. Okay, now when it comes to the KD at 80, there is not a hard and fast rule that it is definitely a difficult keyword to rank, but in majority cases it is. Yes, it is very difficult to rank. So good luck. Also focus on, I would say, optimizing your profile website's content structure. So optimize your user experience and do internal linking plus regular content update. Okay, do these things, these three things as well, to make sure that to enhance your chances of getting ranked for that specific keyword. So yeah, I hope this answers your question, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video whenever I post. and that too after subscription you have to click on the bell icon. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye bye.